Price came back down and broke it at the fourth touch, went up and came back to do a retest. Now, when you start trading with trend lines, you must understand what break and retest is. Hello traders, I'm going to be showing you one simple strategy that you can use without stress. You can just analyze the market using this simple strategy without stress. Now, I'm not saying this is the best strategy there is to trade with or analyze with in the forex market. I'm only saying that you cannot say you know how to trade the market without understanding at least how to use trend lines. In a very simple way or simple method, I'll just show you why you should know at least how to use trend lines to make money, simply. All right. So bring the camera closer. All right, now if you look at this chart, this is a very simple chart, right? If you look at this chart, you can draw your, for a downward trend, your trend line should be drawn downwards and at the resistance of that downward trend. So if you see what I did here, I had just a bit of, price coming downwards, to this other side. So what I did was just to draw my trend line at the tip, the highs of the downward trend. Okay, I just drew my trend line at the highs, on the highs of the downward trend, and was waiting for a breakout. Okay, so now if you look at this, now although there are more deeper understanding of how you can use your trend line. So I'll just be a little bit basic here. All right. So what you're actually looking for is two touches that can enable you draw out your trend lines. Okay. So that what you'll now be looking for is the third touch that breaks it or bounces off the trend line. So if you draw your trend lines like this, already I have about 3 touches. The fourth one now broke. This is the first touch. This is the second touch here, all right? Now, this is the third touch here. It still didn't break it. Now, price came back down and broke it at the fourth touch, went up and came back to do a retest. Now, when you start trading with trend lines, you must understand what break and retest is. Follow us for more trading strategy, and don't forget to like and share.